By now, you gotta be just as tired as I am of going into Chipotle and watching the workers being so stingy with the food, okay? Give you a little rice, a little chicken, and when you ask for a little bit more, they look at you crazy and ask you if you want double. No, I didn't say double. I said I want the right amount of chicken that I'm paying for. Chipotle is already expensive as it is, you feel me? So I think that's just absolutely crazy. But don't worry, I got you covered. I'm about to show you how to make a delicious Chipotle bowl right at the comfort of your home. No time, no effort. So let's not waste time and get into it. So I have here about 4 boneless and skinless chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast if you want, but me, I always prefer to use chicken thighs. Just more juicier, more flavor in my humble opinion. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top of our chicken here, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it a nice luxurious massage as we always do. And you know we gotta season up proper. On the screen, I have listed everything you need to do so, and it will be listed in the description box as well. Go ahead and give that a mix, making sure our chicken are well coated up in this delicious seasoning right here. And let me know down in the comments, how do you like to build your Chipotle bowl? Let me know the ultimate bowl. Do you like corn? Do you like cheese, lettuce? Let me know how you like your bowl. So our chicken is seasoned up, ready to go. I'm just gonna set this off to the side while we work on our cilantro lime rice. So I have my pot of water here to a rolling boil. I'm gonna drop in a little bit of salt. We're gonna add in some oil. And this is about 3 cups of water, by the way. Again, everything will be listed on the screen and in the description box. And we're gonna toss in our jasmine rice. Our rice, I rinsed it just before we cooked it, not ahead of time, because that'll make it, you know, overcook pretty much. You wanna rinse it off right before you get it in the water, and go ahead and just toss it in just like so. And our heat right now is to about a medium high, and we're gonna keep it there until the water starts to dry up. We're actually gonna leave the top off. We're just gonna let it basically boil until the water starts to dry up. Then we're gonna lower the heat to a low. And when I mean low, toss a bay leaf in there. And actually I'm gonna toss that bay leaf now. Like I said, I'm gonna toss 1 bay leaf in there. And we're just gonna let it do its thing until this water starts to dry up. Leaving it uncovered, guys. Uncovered, very important. All right, guys, once your rice gets to this point right here, you got most of the water kind of dried up. At this point, you can lower the heat all the way to a low. And you're gonna top it off. You're gonna top it off and let it do its thing for about another 7 to 10 minutes. You wanna check on it, you don't wanna overcook it. Moving on, our rice is doing its thing in the background. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of oil into this pan right here. And we're gonna toss in some peppers and onions, because we can't do without that. I love me some peppers and onions on my Chipotle bowl. And we're gonna hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. I got my heat to about a medium to medium high. And we're just gonna let these do their thing just for a little bit. So I like my peppers and my onions to have a little bit of crunch to them. So I'm not gonna cook them too much. This is kind of to the point where I want to take it off the heat. This is how we looking. Love me some peppers and onions. So this is one of the last things that we gotta get going before we cook our chicken. Gotta get those black beans. We are using canned black beans. I don't wanna hear nothing about it either, because canned black beans, there's nothing really to it. It's just beans and salt. no preservatives or anything really. And I'm just gonna toss in a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder. Remember I said it has salt already, so you don't need to add more. A little bit of onion powder, garlic powder. You know, you wanna get that hot, get it boiling, and it's pretty much done, ready to go. Nice and simple. That's why I say nothing wrong with black beans. You can do this from scratch, but it's gonna take you a lot longer than 2-3 minutes to get your black beans going. So it is time for the star to show, that chicken. I'm just gonna drizzle a generous amount of oil into our pan here. I got my heat to about a medium high, I would say. And we're gonna get those beautiful chicken thighs right on into this pan right here. Ooh, you hear that sizzle? And we're gonna let it do its thing for about, let's say 3-4 minutes per side. All right, our chicken is just about ready to be flipped. And that is looking so good. Come on now. Stop playing with your boy. Look at that. Wow. That looks amazing. I'm gonna let it do its thing for another 3-4 minutes. Other side. Make sure you keep an eye on your chicken. Don't let your chicken burn. Just because I say 3-4 minutes, don't mean you just walk away and forget about it. You gotta keep checking on your chicken to make sure it is not burning, okay? All right, now our chicken is pretty much done. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. That is beauty. Go ahead and rest it on a cutting board. Every single one of these bad boys. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Every single one is beautiful. Guys, I messed up so badly. I'm recording by myself right now, and I thought I was recording, guys, and I totally didn't. But I tossed in our rice right here, perfectly cooked. Took about 15 minutes after topping it off, making sure to check on it, making sure it's not too hard, making sure it's not mushy. You want to get it perfectly cooked. Tossed it into this bowl right here with the juice of 1 lime. And we did toss in some freshly chopped cilantro as well. And that's pretty much it. I am so sorry. I really thought I was recording. That is tough, okay? That's tough. But our rice is looking so good right now. Like I said, juice of 1 lime, fresh chopped cilantro, and you go ahead and mix it up and you are ready to bust down. You have yourself some cilantro lime rice. It is almost time to plate up. I'm just gonna dice up our beautiful chicken right here. You know, I can't help myself. I gotta give me a little taste. Wow. That's crazy. So good. I have outdone myself with this one, baby. Go ahead and toss up your, I can't even talk right now. Go ahead and slice up your chicken just like so. As big or as small as you want to. It's still a little bit hot. I'm burning my fingers. There we go. Time for the assembly. All right, it is time for the assembly line. We are gonna try to make this look pretty. I'm gonna use this little bowl here. Scoop my rice in there. Compress it. You want that nice, beautiful presentation. I think that's enough. Just kind of press it down, make sure it's nice and compressed. Go ahead and just flip it over. Try to center that baby. Look at that. Come on now. I think I'm gonna put a bunch of chicken like right here. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Lots of chicken right there. Double chicken. No charge for the double chicken. It's complimentary. Gonna add the peppers, beautiful peppers, and onions. Look at that. This is the ultimate bowl for me, okay guys? So good. We got the black beans coming in. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Gotta have me a little bit of lettuce on there. And last but not least, some fresh avocado right there. Gonna garnish with a little bit of that cilantro, just like so, and you are ready to bust down. Looking good, smelling good, and I cannot wait to dig it. We're not about to waste time. You know what I'm saying? This right here is calling my name. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of everything on this fork right here. It's a little bit tough. You know, we got a big old jumbo sized bowl, nothing stingy over here. Okay. Okay. That's everything. That's literally everything right there. Oh my. Oh yeah. Man, when I tell you that this is bussin', guys, get in your kitchen right at this moment and start whipping this up right here. Don't be wasting your time at no stingy old Chipotle when you can make you a big old bowl like this, get all the double chicken you want, and can't nobody say nothing about it, you hear me? Go ahead and whip this up. This is absolutely amazing, so flavorful, so easy to make. You're gonna feed your whole family and they're gonna be so happy. Definitely give this a try. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a like so YouTube knows you're loving the content, as well as subscribe if you're new. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Deuces.